Let's decorate a bento cake without tools. Don't forget to clean your plate with paper towel. Get a very sharp knife and divide the cake into two. Look how soft and fluffy this cake is. Apply the desired frosting on top of the first layer. Get a clean butter knife and smoothen the frosting. I used a delicious whipped cream frosting, but you can use any frosting of your choice. Use a butter knife and apply that frosting to the entire cake. Use a rubber spatula to smoothen the frosting. Once you're done, place the cake in the refrigerator for 30 minutes. Apply a little of the frosting on parchment paper. Then, place the frosted cake. Time to decorate. Don't forget the business sticker. Look how beautiful this bento cake looks. Send a DM to Chops by Jida to order yours. Thanks for watching.